Morning students, how are you all? So students, let us continue with your question number 9. Find the equation of the plane through the intersection of the planes 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0 and the point 2 comma 2 comma 1. So students, remember the equation of any plane through the intersection of the plane, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1, that is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2, that is equal to 0, is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 plus lambda into a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2, that is equal to 0. Now here students, the equation of any plane through the intersection of these planes is given by, here at the place of this we will write 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda into, this is x plus y plus z minus 2, that is equal to 0 students, right? Now the plane is passing through from 2 comma 2 comma 1. So at the place, this is x, this is y and this is z students, you will put the values here. So this will come as, on substituting the value, this is 3 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 4 plus lambda into, this is 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2, this is equal to 0 here students, and on solving it we will get 2 plus 3 lambda, this is equal to 0, or lambda will come as equal to minus 2 by 3, right students. Now we will put this value of lambda here. Here we will put this value of the lambda, where lambda is a real number. So while we will put this value, we will write it as 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 minus 2y3 into, this is x plus y plus z minus 2, this is equal to 0. Now students, what you will do, you will multiply it by, this will come as 3 3s are 9x minus 3y, 3 2s are 6z, 4 2s are 8 minus 2x minus 2y minus 2z plus 2 2s are 4, this is equal to 0. Now what you will say student, this will come as equal to 7x minus 5y, and here this is 4z minus 4, here this is minus 8. Here students, what you will say, 4 3s are 12 is there, so 12 and this is minus 8, that will come as equal to 0, right students. Now this is the required equation of plane. Here you can write, this is the required equation of plane. So this is the solution of question number 9 students. Let us see students, your question number 10, find out the vector equation of the plane through the intersection of the planes r dot 2i plus 2j minus 3k, that is equal to 7, r vector dot 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 3k cap, that is equal to 9 through the point 2 1 3. Now students, the equation of the plane through the intersection is given by, we will take lambda as we have done in the earlier question. Now students, what I have done here, I will take this r common from these two and it will be written like this, and we will shift this minus 7 and this that is 9 lambda toward the right hand side. Now students, this r vector, that is equal to, what we will do, we will collect this I cap here, this will come as, because we will multiply it by 2 lambda, so it will come as 2 lambda, 2 plus 2 lambda I cap plus here 2 plus 5 lambda j cap plus here this is 3 lambda is written first, then minus 3 into k cap, that is equal to 9 lambda plus 7. So student, it passes through from 2, 1 and 3. Therefore its position vector is 2i cap plus j plus 3k for this one. This is the position vector. Now we will put the value here of this position vector, that is 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap, and then this one. Now we will multiply them. On solving it, this is the value of the lambda, that will come as equal to 10 by 9 students. And now we will put this value, and what you will see student, this r vector into, we will put the value of lambda now. So here on putting the value, we will solve it, and ultimately we will come on the this r vector into 38 I cap plus 68 j cap plus 3k cap, that is equal to 153, is the required equation of plane. So that is the solution of this question students. That is your question number 10. So let us see question number 11 students. Find the equation of the plane through the line of intersection of the planes x plus y plus z, that is equal to 1, and 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5, which is perpendicular to the plane x minus y plus z, that is equal to 0. Right students? So see, the equation of the plane is now, equation of plane, that is 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 plus lambda into, so this is not like this, so we will make it as x plus y plus z minus 1 into lambda, then we will write it as now 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0 here students. Now we will solve it. So it will come as this is 2 lambda plus 1 into x plus 3 lambda plus 1 into y plus 4z plus 1 into, this is z now, or minus 5 lambda, because this is also minus 1, here minus we will take outside, this is equal to 0 here students. So we will write this first here, so this is wrong. So what you will see students now, because it is given to you that it is perpendicular to, this is perpendicular to this is x minus y plus z, this is equal to 0. Means in that case, if you will check that their product, that is 2 lambda plus 1, then this is of minus y, this will come as 3 lambda plus 1, and this is 4 lambda is there, here it is lambda, 4 lambda plus 1, this is equal to 0 here students. So ultimately on solving, this will come as 3 lambda plus 1, that is equal to 0, or lambda will come as equal to minus 1 by 3. So this is the value of lambda students. Now we will put this value of lambda in the number 1. This is the number 1 here students. We will put this value of lambda here. So this is number 1. So this will come as 2 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1 into x plus, this is 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1 into y plus 4 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1 into z. This is equal to 5 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So we will put this value, and from there it will come as equal to, while we will solve it student, it will come as 1 by 3x minus 1 by 3z, and this is plus 2 by 3, that is equal to 0, or this implies that x minus z plus 2 that is equal to 0. That is the required equation of plane. Required equation of plane. So these are I have done this 9th, 10th and 11th question. They are same. After that your question number 12 and 13, both the questions are deleted, students. So with that question, your this topic, that is plane topic, that is over, students.